Hi guys, my name is Dee. For those of you that do not know me, I wanted to jump on here first of all and say happy Valentine's Day. It is February 14th, 2022, and I just wanted to use TikTok to start documenting my journey. I am going to be very transparent as I go along. A year ago, I believe it was January, I actually bought the 15-day challenge. That was $7, probably the price of a cup of coffee or maybe your lunch that you're buying from work. And I didn't do anything with it. As we have moved forward in this crazy world, I am in healthcare and it's been a real struggle. It is hard. We wear masks all day. We're taking care of COVID patients, and I'm actually getting really tired of it, and I am going to do something different with my life. It may take time. I know building a business online will take time, and I am going to put that time in. Now, because I do work 2 jobs, I know, and I have to have the mindset, as long as I keep consistent and I do something every day, I will get through this and I will push through. And I'm not out to make millions of dollars, but I would like to start slowly, having extra money, for gas, for groceries, even just to go on vacation, do something for me. I mean, maybe it's just, getting my hair fixed or going to the spa or getting a pedicure. And I haven't done that forever. Just because the, prices have gone up, things are expensive. So for those of you that follow me and you're, have your eyes on me and you're going to watch my journey, thank you. And, here we go, day 1. And if any of you are interested in learning along the way, as I'm going to, just message me and I can get you some information on the 15-day challenge so you can build a business online too.